Hello, welcome to Mathematics Class 6 lesson, and the topic we are going to learn today is Desmos. Under Desmos, we are going to learn on division of a decimal by a whole number. We have two examples here. We have example 1 and example 2. I'm going to take you step by step for both examples. For example 1, which is 14.5 divided by 5. First of all, you have to convert this decimal into a fraction by looking at the number of decimal places. 14.5 has one decimal place, 1. Therefore, when you are able to convert it into a fraction, it's going to be 145 over 10, as shown here. Therefore, 145 over 10 divided by 5 over 1. 5 over 1 is the same as 5. So you write 5 over 1 as a fraction that way to avoid more confusions. Step 2, change the division sign to a multiplication sign and reciprocate 5 over 1. We learned about reciprocals, so I think you know what I mean by reciprocating. After reciprocating, your equation is going to be 145 over 10 times 1 over 5. Remember, the sign changed, and 5 over 1 was reciprocated. Therefore, it is 145 over 10 times 1 over 5. Step 3, now you simplify 5 by 1 and 5 into 145, 29 times. So 29 over 10, because we are learning about the decimals, your answer should be a decimal. Therefore, you divide 29 over 10, as shown here, whereby the answer is going to be 2.9. I hope you are following. For the second example, 0.008 divided by 2. Step 1, you change 0.008 as a fraction using the procedure in example 1. You count the number of decimal places in 0.008, which has 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it is going to be 8 over 1,000 divided by 2 over 1. Step 2, you change the sign and you reciprocate 8 over 1,000 times a half. A half being the reciprocal of 2. Step 3, you simplify by 2, 1, 2 into 8, 4 times. So as a fraction is going to be 4 over 1,000, but we want our answer to be a decimal. Therefore, it's going to be 0.004. With those two examples, I know, or it is my hope that you have understood, and therefore, I have an exercise here in your primary book 6, page 81, exercise 59. You do number 1 to 10, and you submit your work on Monday. Thank you. Have a blessed day and stay safe.